Hello friends, if you want to activate your Microsoft Office, that is Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and you did not found the option of OSPPREARM, so this video is for you. First of all, open this PC. Now click Local Disk C. Here you see two options. In many computers, you can go to OSPPREARM through Program Files, but in few computers, you can find OSPPREARM option in Program Files 86. If I open Program Files and click on Common Files, now on Microsoft Shared, and open Office Software Protection Platform, there is no option of OSPPREARM. So I will go back to Program Files 86. Now if I open Program Files 86 and open Common Files, now open Microsoft Shared and open Office Software Protection Platform. So here you see three options and the last option is OSPPREARM. And now if you want to activate your Microsoft Office, so simply right click on OSPPREARM and click on Run as Administrator. Then they will ask you a question, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your computer? You have to click on yes and your Microsoft Office will be activated. This is how you can activate your Microsoft Office. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.